Life has some close calls. Hi, I'm Steve Weber, and I specifically included this scene for one reason. When I sat on the bench for 15 years, I would often ask people what was their favorite scene. Young boys would always tell me this scene was their favorite. Boys like loud noises and big bangs. Here is scene number 26.
Oh, Father, no. No, I'm gonna be all right.
As humans, we respond to pressure. When we have an urgent deadline, we're able to get what needs doing done.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, man. I'm fine.
Afterwards, we look back and say, that was a close call. Of course, our close calls are rarely a matter of life and death. Forrest wasn't taking no for an answer. He returned to the jungle 5 times to find his friend. He got himself and Bubba out in the nick of time. That was a close call. It takes gumption to stay committed when things get scary. Rarely in our own lives are things a matter of life and death. All the more reason we should stay committed like Forrest was committed. Do you want to be more Gump-like? Stick with your plan, even when things get scary and you feel like you're in danger. Rarely are things a matter of life and death. Let's learn to live our lives with gumption.